under center. Here we go. Stevenson on the take. Stevenson is in for the touchdown.
Fakes left, now taken off. Gonna run for it, he got it! And there he goes! Inside the 10, the 5. Oh, the play of the year in the NFL! Young has time, and he can run, throws for the end zone. Field has it! It's a touchdown, Panthers! They've got the lead with 30 seconds to go. Williams, pressure coming. Williams ducks away. On the roll, Williams throws. Open in the back of the end zone. It is caught. The touchdown by Keenan Allen.
I tell you, everybody
secured it as he was headed out of bounds. Here's a pick! Intercepted! And that should end the night. McMillan the other way. Touchdown Broncos!
To play. It's Burrow quickly outside. Chase looking for blocks from his tight end. He gets two of them, and he's off to the races. It's a foot race. Working against Stevens. Jamar Chase, touchdown!
Prescott floats one. Corner. Target. He's got it! Touchdown, Dallas!
Will throw it, and this will end it after the shovel, or will it? Miami running around, circling. Oh, look out! Gronkowski didn't have the angle. Touchdown! Oh, Kenyon Drake! A miracle! Miraculous in Miami!
They'll hand it off, and this could be a throw. Jacoby Myers doubling back, sees the goal line and scores! His third touchdown against the Broncos this year.
To a draw, to Williams. Stafford to it. His arms in the air. Williams is in. And the Rams are an extra point away from tying it. That's twice today that the veteran. So many different things for this defense. This time Montgomery, Bynum, grab them. That ball is out. Picked up by Pace. Down the sideline. There is a flag. He's in. Minnesota leads. Pending the penalty.
Yeah, down there on the field. He's huge. It's a throw. Rudolph makes the connection. Nick Vannett into the end zone, and touchdown. What an opening drive for Tennessee.
Sam Martin corrals the snap. It's a short punt. Gibson on the return. Near side. I don't see any flags. Gibson inside the 30. Hits the Jets. And he's going to go. Jets win it. Touchdown. Rookie Xavier Gibson. Game over.
And what a show and go by Fink Martindale again.
Marcheski from the 6-yard line. Has a little bit of room in front of him. Out to the 20.
and going to be breaking tackles. He's still on his feet. Oshesky looked like he was going down, and he may take it all the way. Oshesky to the house. No flags. On 2nd and 4, Hurts looking to throw. Going end zone, Lex Brown, it's there! Touchdown, Philadelphia!
Roethlisberger waits, now throws, and he's across for the touchdown! Deontay Johnson! This was an unbelievable route by Deontay Johnson.
McCaffrey scores! 49ers in front!
Smith to the end zone, touchdown! Jackson Smith-Njigba. His first touchdown of the season.
Caliendo comes in, he's eligible. Here is Hunt for the touchdown. Kansas City remains unbeaten. 8-0.
Announcer jinxes. Here's Brady's pass. It's Gronkowski. Back again. The biggest tandem for touchdowns now in postseason history. The old Patriot teammates reunite in the Super Bowl for a score. Oh, and they got him back.
Now they can just unleash the quarterback.
Half a minute, no timeouts. Daniels throws down the sideline for Terry McLaurin. McLaurin is loose. Lightning strikes twice.